Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the products key on the Windows or for the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your Windows 11 on your PC right away. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go and upgrade into Windows 11 for free right now. If you have your Windows 10 already activated, that means when you upgrade into Windows 11 will not need a products key and it will actually be activated already. So of course you can run even the installation of the Windows 11 if you want to upgrade into the background of your PC if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. And once the download finish, you will be notified to restart or to restore or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you will find your Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you'll have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want if you're having some issues, but I don't think that will happen. And of course, you'll even like Windows 11 much better when you get used to it. Of course, upgrading from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any files or apps, so don't worry about that. And of course, as we said, if you want to find your products key on Windows 11, so of course, if you bought your PC from a store, normally if you buy it new, you will find the product key of the Windows on your PC with the PC. Of course, if you didn't find it, you will have to go and buy a product key from the Microsoft store. And as I said, if you already had your Microsoft Windows 10 already activated, if you upgraded into Windows 11, you will not have any issues and the Windows 11 will be already activated. So make sure before upgrading just to activate your Windows 10 and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.